Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Wu Sha is acknowledged as the founder of Yilan due to his many contributions to the town in its early days. In remembrance of him, a village and school are named after him, and his house is a memorial hall. Today, Hakka culture in the town of Jiaoxi isn't easy to spot, but there are still 4 Hakka temples, and one of them is in Wusha village.
有着开兰第一人尊称的吴沙，被认为是早年开发宜兰贡献最大的人。为了纪念他，除了有以吴沙命名的村民及学校，乡民还将他的旧居设立纪念馆。现在的礁溪乡客家色彩并不明显，却留有4座昔日客家人信奉的三山国王庙，其中一座就位在吴沙村。
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿炳哥 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And you know what? I am so happy to be back on this segment because I miss it so much, and I'm so happy to see Leo. 好开心今天又看到你了。
是啊，
因为有一阵子我们没有录这个单元了，对不对？真的好想念。要赶快再把这个客家的文化跟这个智慧呢教给大家。
是啊。
So let's talk about certain things right here. And today we're going to bring people to a county that is nearby Taipei, not too far now, especially with the tunnel built from Taipei to Yilan is what I'm talking about. 现在去宜兰很方便，对不对？
对，没错，只要经过那个雪山隧道，雪山隧道就走得了。
哦，雪山隧道 That is the new tunnel that was built a couple of years ago, making it very convenient to go to Yilan. And Yilan is very famous for its hot springs. 所以呢，去宜兰是要去泡温泉。
金文泉。
金文泉，
对，就是用浸的。
哦，浸在里面。Okay, that's very cool. The Hakka use the term soak, 金文泉. That's how they use it to describe going to a hot spring. And one of the most well-known places in Yilan is 礁溪。
对啊，错啊。
礁溪怎么说？
九海。
九海哦，就在海边的感觉哦。其实不是。That's 礁溪. You got to check it out. And before you come back to Taipei or wherever you live, or you go back down south or to Taichung, remember to buy some delicacies in Yilan, including 牛舌饼，这绝对不能错过。It's actually the cow tongues cookie. 牛舌饼。
牛舌饼。
牛舌饼 Even though it's called cow's tongue, it's not really cow's tongue. 很多人外国人会怕，你知道说哈，怎么会有这种用牛的舌头做的饼干？其实它只是长相 It just looks like cow's tongue. It's actually a sweet cookie. And also you want to get the marinated duck 鸭嗓
Up song
五告颂吃得很爽哦，真的哦 I love it. That's our trip to Yilan for Let's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺自say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.